If you also want to lose weight up to 7 kilograms in 1 month without dieting and exercise, then today's video is for you. Yes, you can lose up to 7 kilograms in 1 month. And for this you do not have to stop eating or drinking. It is not necessary, but you have to start eating 3 eggs daily. Health experts all over the world are seen recommending egg weight loss diet to lose weight fast, and a weight loss diet also works because people easily we are losing weight by 7 to 8 kilos. And that too without stopping eating and exercising. Then let us talk about how one can lose weight fast by using only 3 eggs daily. Short video. Watch till the end so that you don't miss any important thing. But before proceeding further in the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Egg is a superfood. Scientists say that if we eat it daily for 1 year continuously, use only eggs, and do not take anything else in your diet except eggs, even then, despite using eggs for the whole year, there will be no deficiency of any vitamin and mineral in our body, except vitamin C, because except vitamin C, there is rest inside the egg. Many vitamins and minerals are found in eggs, but the 2 most important nutrients found inside eggs are protein, while the second is good fats. And for rapid weight loss, we need these 2 nutrients. The use of protein and good fats helps us in losing weight rapidly, while the carbohydrates present in our food increase our weight and also reduce the excess fat in the body. The protein obtained from eggs increases the muscle mass in our body. The more muscle mass we have in the body, the less fat is stored in our body. That is why the fat in our body gets reduced due to the use of eggs. Whereas the high-quality protein obtained from eggs gets absorbed slowly in our body. It also boosts the metabolism many times, according to an estimate. If you are using 3 eggs daily, then your metabolism gets boosted by approximately 120%, due to which even when we are not doing anything, our body, while it keeps burning the existing excess fat, the body needs the good fats that we get from eggs, which is why many people are unable to lose weight just because of the stubborn and excess fat that drives them crazy. It would have been that their body does not have those good fats which are required to melt and burn the extra and stubborn fat present in the body. But when we use 3 eggs daily, our body becomes very lean. Good fats are available, due to which not only the extra fat present in our stomach and body starts melting, but our body also reduces fat production and fat storage in the body also reduces. Apart from this, the use of eggs helps in reducing unnecessary hunger. And there is also a reduction in food cravings, and all these things together are very helpful in losing weight fast. So, now let us talk about what is the right way to lose weight fast through eggs and which mistake you have made. If not at all, then you have to take 3 boiled eggs and use them as breakfast. Apart from eggs, you can take tea and coffee without sugar, but apart from eggs, you can take any kind of carbohydrates. You will not use either bread or any other type of carbohydrate. You will only use eggs. If you use tea and coffee, then it should be without sugar and sugar. This is your breakfast continuously. If you follow this routine for a month, you will be surprised to see the results, because within a month you will have easily lost at least 5 to 7 kilograms of weight. If you like the video, then share it in the comments. Mashallah Sabin. Allah must write as much as possible. Share this video on all social networks, press the like button, and subscribe to Hakki Mali Health and Beauty Tips for more Majid videos. Press the bell icon and select all notifications.